Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be trading the OTC market, okay, on real market using this incredible strategy that you can also use, all right, to reap into your profit. Okay, so stay with me to the end of this video as I will be showing you indicators that I have used. Okay, so over here you see moving average 2 times, and the setting is like this. Okay, the period, make sure it's on 20, then the moving average is WMA. all right, then the stars, just leave the color like this, and the pixel is 2. all right, then click save. Then on the second moving average, okay, you're going to have the period on 50, then the moving average WMA, then the style, of course, change the color to white as I did, then you click save. all right, then the third is awesome oscillator periods. Okay, leave it at 6, then the period long as 34, then leave everything here, click save. Then make sure your trading time is on 1 minute. Okay, then the candle, we are using a 30-second candlestick, and we are using Heikin Hashi. all right, Heikin Hashi, make sure it's on Heikin Hashi. all right, so you can trade both OTC market and real market. Okay, so I'll be analyzing and show you how you can enter each trade. Okay, so stay with me as I choose my currency pairs. Okay, so if you are using laptop, you can equally choose your currency pair. It will appear somewhere at the top. Okay, so I've chosen all these are OTC, so I'll be analyzing. Okay, this is a good moment to enter a buy. All right, sorry, a sell. Okay, because as you can see, the two moving average are showing that the market is going down. all right, and the oscillator too is showing a steady decline. all right, look at it. Good, look at this please. It's a steady decline. all right, shown by the moving average. As you can see, is about to join, so you can either wait for them to cross each other before you enter, but this is the best moment when they're about to cross. all right, then you just enter the trade. And as well, the oscillator, all right, the awesome oscillator, it shows steady down. Good, this is a good one here. So make sure it's showing a steady down trend. Okay, make sure the three indicators are showing steady movement. Okay, before you can enter any trade. Okay, so let's analyze and look for best moment again. Please, if you are new to my channel, subscribe for more of this. all right, this is another opportunity. Okay, I have entered a sell. As you can see, is about to go down from here. all right, it has crossed already, then the market want to change, but it has eventually go down. So let's wait and see for this. Okay, let's wait and see. So as you can see, is a downtrend already. Okay, you see the consistency in the movement. Okay, so same thing applies to when you are using good. This is a good one. Let's analyze again and see how we can enter a buy trade. all right, or anyone that comes up. all right, if it is a buy trade, it will be the opposite. You see everything going up, pointing up, but this one is a sell trade. See everything, see this, the sequence of movement going downward. Okay, down trend. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so that YouTube will be able to recommend these videos to other people that want to make money through trading. all right, so let's analyze again. This is another moment to enter, but I think okay, let's wait and see. It's a downtrend here, all right? It's a sharp downtrend here, but the movement is long, okay? It's a long movement already, all right? So let's wait and see. The trade is moving. As you can see, it's going all over. Make sure you see how it's crossing, all right? So it's either it's pointing down or you wait until both lines are crossing to show you a perfect moment of entry, all right? So make sure you take note of this. Take note of these, okay, guys? Good, it's a plus now. Good, we have won our trade. So, guys, I think we are going to analyze again, all right? Let's analyze again and see. Okay, for the uptrend, this is a good moment. This is a good moment, but oh my goodness, I'm so fast in entering this. It's a long walk already from here, as you can see. Okay, from down here is a long movement uptrend. Okay, it has break even already. So if you see this kind of movement, please stay away from it. Okay, it's a long movement. Okay, from this point, as you can see, way up. All right, so you see we have lost this trade. Okay, we have lost it. So be careful of your entries. Okay, be careful. If it is already a long walk, don't you enter a trade like that. Okay, now this is another buy opportunity here. Okay, remember we have been entering sell, sell, sell. Okay, so these ones now are buy. Make sure everything is showing consistency, green movement. Okay, everything is green, 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 green. That means the market is going up, the trend is up. So you have to take note of what? Of the trend. Okay, take note of the trend. Let's wait and see. It's moving. I hope we recover our loss to good, good, good. We have recovered our loss. Okay, so there are things that I want you to what to observe, to take note when trading. Okay, number one is trend confirmation. All right, make sure you confirm the trend. As you understand, as you can see, there is a cross here and there is a downward trend here. Okay, so this is when you can sell. All right, you either wait until it cross and everything is right here. Then the number two is awesome oscillator. Make sure it has a consistent movement of red. Okay, whether it's going up. Then number three is to place your trade on a strong candle stick. All right, on a strong candle stick. All right, look at this. After this tree, 1 2 3, you understand. To register with Pocketoption to take advantage of this strategy, register with the link in my description box. A bonus awaits you of 50% bonus on recharge of $50 and above. Okay, you can join my Telegram group for more. See you in our next video. Bye.